Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. So far we have completed 9 badges and the next module in Salesforce is formulas and validations, and the first unit in formulas and validations is use formula fields. So in this hands-on challenge we are going to create a formula field that determines the number of days between the end date of contract and today. So we have to select the contract object first. So launch your playground and go to setup. In setup, click the object manager tab and in that search contract and select the contract object. In the contract object, select the fields and relationship and select new. In that, we have to select the formula as their data type and the return type of the formula must be a number. So select the formula data type and select next. Label it as days remaining and select the number data type. In decimal place, select 0. Next, we have to give our formula, so click the advanced formula tab and in that select the insert field and you can see the contract end date here and click insert. In functions you can choose today. So before that give the minus and choose today. Now check the syntax. There is no syntax errors, so click next. The next step is we have to select visible and read only for all profiles. So for that, click the checkbox for all the profiles and click next and click save. Next thing we have to do is to add the field to the standard contract layout in the page layout. So go to page layout and click the contract layout. There you can verify that whether it is added or not. Yeah, we have added the days remaining, so we have completed a challenge. Let's check it. Thanks for watching. We have completed the task. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.